quiet, the lights are low. A distant voice begins to grow. I say your name into the dark, but something answers from far apart. Hello, hello, are you there? Hello, hello, or is it just the echo? I walk alone through silent air. Every step still takes me there. I say your name, the walls reply. Your voice is drifting through the night. I close my eyes, the sound begins. A whispered line under my skin. Your voice again, soft and slow, calling me into the echo. Stay, stay, don't disappear. Stay, stay, I'm still here. Lost in the echo, lost in the echo. Voices in the dark, calling through the shadow. Lost in the echo, lost in the echo. Every step I take pulls me back into the echo. I hear you in the dark. Every word falls apart. I hear you far away, but you never really stay. Maybe someday the sound will fade. Every word we never said. But in this room and empty glow, your voice remains inside the echo. I call again, just one more time. The silence moves between the lines, and every breath I let it go, still drifting through the echo. dissolves into